Holy shit. Alright, so we're gonna be trying out the NASALFRESH MD that we got right here. I've seen a lot of videos of it on YouTube, but a lot of them are just made by the company itself, so I don't really trust it. So I want to just get the item, try it out, and give you guys an honest review on this item. Because for the past, I want to say, a couple of years, I've been struggling a lot with my nose, where I have a lot of, I guess it's allergies or something happening. And then the past couple of weeks, I got sick. If you got sick around the Christmas time, you know what I'm talking about. I got sick for a week or two. It was like the influenza virus, but now I'm still like coughing. So I'm just trying to clear out my system. So I saw this online and I was like, you know what, let me try this real quick. Let's see how it is. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a full-on honest review on it. I'm not getting paid to review this item, but I do have an affiliate link in the description below. So if you do are interested in this product, use my link below. But if the product is trash, I'm gonna tell you guys. Alright, so we got the product right over here. And to use this, we're actually gonna put some distilled water on here. We're not gonna be using the sink water because apparently if you use the sink water, then you can get like brain worms or some shit. So just to be safe, we're gonna be using some distilled water on here, and we're just gonna pour that in there. There we go. We're just gonna pour it in there, and then it comes with all of these salt, serene, or whatever they're called, in there, and you just add that into it. I believe they give you 30 of these, and then you can just put this right on here. Come with like a little spoon thing, so we're gonna be using that to mix it all up. Alright, now I haven't used this product at all, so this is the first time we're going to be using it together. We'll see how it works. So I'm just going to take this apart, and I believe you just pull on this from the side. And what you're supposed to do is, I haven't read the instructions, I did see some people trying it on, and what you have to do is you have to pretty much use half of it, and then the other half you like flip it around and then go back into it. And they recommend you use, there's 3 like different settings on here. You're supposed to use the first one for the first month. I guess afterwards when you get used to it, then you can use the other ones. And one trick I've seen is that you want to kind of breathe through your mouth the whole time. So, alright, let's see how this is. Make sure this is like in all the way. Oh god, I'm scared. Holy shit. That actually works pretty well. Holy shit. Now, previously I have used like, here I have it in the bathroom somewhere. I have used stuff like this before. Like these like natty potties or whatever they're called. Like I used those before. Like you just like spray it from one nose. And these always end up like hurting my nose. They would go in my ears and everything. Like this one worked pretty well. That's pretty impressive. So let's go the other way now and let the rest of them flush to the other side. Actually, it feels pretty good. Oh god. It feels really weird. Oh my god. Wow. I think I got water on the microphone. Wow. There's definitely some gunk in there. The cool thing is like after using this, you can like see whatever residue that was inside of your nose. Wow, that actually worked pretty well. I can actually breathe now. Oh man. This is actually pretty cool. I definitely like it. My god, that looks disgusting. But you can see it does work. Honestly, the cool thing is it doesn't really like you don't feel it that well. You just feel like kind of going from one nose to another. It doesn't hurt or anything. It actually works really seamlessly and it's really easy to do. So that's really cool. So I like the product a lot. Now definitely check in on the pinned comment of this video, because I will say probably in a week or two I will make an update. I'm going to use this daily and tell you guys how I like it. But so far, just from the first impressions, it does work really well. So be sure to check that comment, and then If you're interested in the product, use the description. I do have an affiliate code you guys can use to get this item. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.